Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we will be doing Cooking with the Boys. Queso Blanco, featuring my good pal Adam. Oh, I got him! Let's roll the video. So, first, I'm not gonna have this paper. First, we gotta get some of that cumin. Gotta get some pepper to it, some garlic salt, dude. We gotta get that cheese. And of course, we have need cheese. We need some Queso Blanco, dude. Gotta get that white American cheese, dude. Gotta get that milk from Walmart. This is great. They only bring milk, dude. It's crazy. We gotta get that butter. And we gotta get them chilies, too. The most important thing we need, though, chips. Okay, stop the footage.
We'll take it already started because I don't care enough. No, do it.
You started?
I did a long time ago.
Okay.
5 seconds.
First, we gotta measure out the milk, cheese, and butter. So
And the butter.
We need 1/4 cup of milk, dude.
Don't.
So first, we gotta measure this. Oh yeah. More than in real life. Gotta make sure that's 1/4 cup, dude. Oh yeah. Okay, you got it. We got it, boys. Okay, next we gotta put the So I'm gonna put this over here. Then I need a tablespoon of butter. This is the only butter I got, so this is what I'm using.
Oh jeez.
How do I? There we go.
How do I open this?
This is a tablespoon right here, dude. So we gotta fill that right up, dude. It's a little bit too much. That's okay.
No, it's not.
Okay, you know what?
You got this.
There we go. Nice. Okay.
Nice.
So now we gotta get that cheese. This is 1/2 pound of cheese. You gotta make sure it's a white American cheese. Right there, dude. White American cheese. Make sure it's 1/2 pound. If you want Queso Blanco, you gotta make sure it's a white American cheese. You got that. Get that cheese out.
Is that racism?
And we gotta put this in a saucepan on low to medium heat. Okay, boys. God dang. Okay, I gotta get a spoon.
Spoon, basically a fork.
Gotta make sure you get all that out. You gotta cook this until it is melted.
That wasn't even in the camera.
It's fine.
Do it again.
You gotta cook this until it is melted. Okay, boys. You gotta add the milk together too. 1/4 cup, by the way. And you gotta put 1/2 pound of this American cheese. It smells like cheese.
Why did you smell the cheese?
I don't know if I'm supposed to split this into slices, but we're gonna do it anyway. This ain't working too well, Chief. Okay,
I
boys.
question all of your life choices right now.
Do I need to add all this cheese? Yeah, I gotta add all this cheese. And I gotta stir it frequently, dude. Just keep adding that cheese. That is all the cheese. Now, Sir Adam, can I please have a spoon?
I like that. That was a good one. There you go.
Thank you, good sir.
That was it? That's the... Okay.
And now, you gotta stir this until it's melted, dude.
Oh, this video is gonna be great. Oh, that's so stupid.
Don't think this is melting.
Oh, really?
It's like a pile of...
Still wet cheese.
a pile of wet cheese.
Did you
It
turn the
smells...
heat up?
This sounds weird.
Turn the heat up.
You. Oh, I'm a savage, dude. I put it very...
Oh, I'm a sad. God, I hate you.
Stir that real nice around. Get that sound in.
Wait, what? That was a bit weird.
Oh yeah.
That was really
Now
like
it's
unnecessary.
getting melted. You spin me right round, baby. Right round
Like a record, baby. Right.
How's your day going? Mine's going pretty well.
You talking to me or the people?
I'm talking to everyone, Adam.
Well, everyone includes me, so I'm doing pretty good.
As you can see, this cheese is almost melted.
Almost. Just gonna take a while. Almost there. Just give it a little bit.
So, if you are enjoying the content, please remember to subscribe and like the video. This is a lot of hard work.
I bet everyone enjoys us just sitting here while you stir cheese in a pot.
Yeah.
Jeremy, quickly say something.
Hi. Just, you have to remember to make sure to stir this frequently, or it'll get stuck to the bottom of the pan.
Will it, Jeremy?
Yeah. It will. You know what?
Jeremy.
We're going in on overdrive.
You can't keep leaving these awkward silences. This is your channel that you're running. I can't be expected
Don't worry,
to
there'll be
keep
some fancy music in the background.
Will there?
Like that Monopoly music, which you should go watch that video. Because that was mega intense.
First of all, no it wasn't. Second of all, I'm winning in the frame for that again.
Okay, so now,
Copyright. You can't say that.
do I earn money? Does it look like I earn money? No. This is just for fun. You gotta build your channel up. If you're trying to make money, you are sane. No, insane. Us people, we're sane, dude. As you can see, it is now melted. So I'm gonna turn that back on to 2, which is almost low heat. I'm
Almost
gonna
low heat.
put that spoon like that.
Oh.
Okay, so
I'm gonna just keep looking at the spoon.
we gotta stir in green chilies, cumin, that garlic salt, and that pepper.
What?
Yeah. Okay, so
Yeah.
we're gonna open up this can of chilies. How do you use these?
I don't know how to use a can opener.
Wait.
Jimmy, you gotta hold on to this can opener.
How are you supposed to
Oh my god, Jimmy.
Wait, I got it. There we go.
There you go.
Smell that? It smells like green chilies up there.
Yeah, I bet people can smell this through YouTube.
Okay, boys.
Seems to be struggling.
There we go. Okay, boys. Oh, yeah. Get a close-up of that green chilies.
Oh
yeah.
my god.
It's crazy. Okay, so now I'm going to add these green chilies into the mixture. I'm going to stir it up a little bit. Oh, you can see that nice dip. So we're just going to add some green chilies. You know what? I'm going to overdrive.
Okay.
It's fine. We're going to stir this in a little bit.
I don't think it's. I don't think we're supposed to add all this.
It's fine. Okay.
Or we can just cut this out.
Next, we need to stir in the rest of the stuff that I listed. Like the cumin, garlic salt, and the pepper. So, we got that cumin right here. But we need this thing that I used. So, come over here, Adam.
Oh, cool.
We have to wash this in the sink. Remember, cross-contamination is bad. Cross-contamination is really bad.
That's why we're writing, okay. Hey, look, this Jeremy's yard. Whoa, look at that, it's a tree. Whoa.
Are you getting this footage?
Oh, what?
I don't know how to wash this. It's fine, I got this.
Jeremy, it's washing dishes. Doesn't take much work.
Okay, boys.
Okay, boys.
Overdrive. We're gonna wash our tools. We're not scumbags.
Yes, you are.
Please don't report me to the office.
You sounded kind of desperate. Please don't do it.
Okay, squad fam.
Stop stealing my lines.
Now we gotta get some napkins because I got stuff all over. Keep your napkins conveniently placed near your cooking station because if you are ever in need, you shouldn't go looking around.
That was violent.
Then we gotta put these napkins in the trash to keep our workstation clean. You know what? Remember that can of chilies? We gotta pick that up and throw it in the trash, man. You gotta be clean, dude. You can't be no scumbag. Don't be a hobo. Be a buddy.
What?
I don't know. I gotta stir this up a little bit. Okay, boys. So now
God.
we gotta actually measure, dude. This is so wet. Oh my god.
We have officially been filming for 10 minutes.
It's fine.
You can get ad revenue off of this. If you were good enough. But you're
Okay,
not.
boys. We need 1/4 teaspoon of this cumin. So this is half of this half. Scoop that up real nice. That is good, fam. Let's do
You
this.
sure that's half?
Now it's half. Stir that in a little bit. Okay, squad fam, let's do this.
Okay, squad fam.
Now, we need to use that same measuring tool to measure that garlic salt. So, we gotta rinse this out.
I don't want to move over there, so I'm just going to zoom in.
And,
Didn't even wash it that time. You only rinsed it.
yeah, it's just the cumin. It's fine, fam. It's fine. Okay, boys.
These are
We got
amazing shots.
This. Now, we gotta get a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic salt. There's barely any garlic salt left. Look at this. It's crazy, dude. Oh my god.
Shut up.
So you better probably do that over a napkin so you don't get that everywhere. But half a half, so that's a 1/4, dude. Easy math. That's 3rd grade math, dude. You know how to do that? Here's insane, dude. You gotta add that in. Stir it around. Look at that Queso Blanco coming together real nice.
That actually doesn't look very good.
It's fine. Okay, so now we gotta get that pepper.
That was a long pause.
This was used that cayenne pepper, but I don't got that. So we're using this pepper, dude. We only need a pinch. So, just like that.
Just like that.
Close that sucker up. Put her back on the table.
1, 2, 3.
Now we just stir this up a little bit. And now, we gotta add more milk if you want it to be thinner. But, I don't know. But if not, it is done, dude. We just gotta keep stirring that up. Look at this nice Queso Blanco, dude. This is crazy. You can just keep on stirring. You can stir all day, boy.
Just keep on stirring.
Just keep stirring, just keep stirring,
Shut
just
up.
keep stirring, round and round.
What?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that is thick. Yo,
My
Adam, you
finger
want
got
this
it.
thick or thin? Dude?
Thin.
Are you even gonna eat this? Because it's
Probably
not
not.
gonna. Nobody's eating this.
Then
That's
why
why
are you
we got
making
those
it?
chips for nothing. Yes.
Jimmy, you can't say that. Our teacher's gonna watch this. You have to say that you're gonna eat it. It's gonna be great.
It's gonna be great, dude.
You can just cut that
I'll have
last
to
part
try
out.
a little bite, dude. It'll be crazy.
How would you describe it?
What do you mean? I haven't eaten it yet.
How do you think it's gonna taste?
I think it'll taste like garbage. But it's fine.
I mean, you're
Look at
probably
this
right.
quality Queso Blanco.
Quality. Jimmy, say something. You have to make content.
If you want to see another episode of Cooking with the Boys, you better make sure to subscribe. And you better help them out for another day of foods class. Yay!
I'm never coming back here.
Good.
Are you saying I'm not good enough for you?
Maybe.
What?
Maybe. If you don't see me again, fam,
Leave her.
sorry.
We don't need him.
End of video. Sir Adam was going to be the taste tester of this video.
Oh, God.
Better eat some of that. Oh yeah. How does it taste?
Like queso dip.
Are you sure about that?
No, I never had queso dip.
Does it taste good?
This chip does.
Nice.